In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the snipping tool is not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, actually there's two kinds of different snipping tools. If you search here and search for snipping, there should be one that's an app, and there's also the Windows one, which is Snip and Sketch. So you can try and use the snipping tool from here. If that doesn't work, what you can do is try and hold the Windows key and Shift and press S. Now this will be the shortcut to open up the Windows snipping tool, and you can see if either one of those works. Now obviously, if none of these work, what you can do is you can come to Task Manager. In here, look for snipping tool, end the task, and then try and open it again. If this still doesn't work, for some people there's a notification error. So if you search for notifications, sometimes if you have it turned off, the snipping tool will not work for some reason. So try and turn this on and see if that works, and you can just turn it off after. Now, as a last resort, if none of these work, what I suggest you do is come down here and search for apps and features. In here, either search for your snip and sketch or snipping tool. Depends on if you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Then you want to go to advanced options. On Windows 11, there should be 3 dots that you want to press on. And in here, you want to go to reset, click on reset, and then see if it works now. Now, if none of these work, what I suggest you do is just clean restart your PC. Come here, restart PC, and then see if it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.